Look, boys, as a man, protection is one of our default traits. It's something that's innate in us. But sometimes you forget to protect yourself. You forget to protect your own space. Today, boys, I'm going to show you 7 things you have to keep at bay. Let's hop into this. 1, women that take advantage. Look, a woman that's going to take advantage of you will drain your energy, will drain your money. Shoot, it'll drain all the attention that you had by giving it to her and away from your personal happiness. Now, the only way to protect yourself against this is to avoid being desperate. You have to avoid being needy. You need to network more. You need to talk to more girls, become more friends with them. You need to learn that there's more out there than just that one girl you're obsessing over. 2, low-life friends. Bro, you are the sum of the 5 people that you hang out with. And the reason that occurs is that you are immersed in that environment. So for example, if the 5 people you hang out with are bums, guess what? Anytime you try to level up, whether it's going to the gym or building your business or studying more for school, those same dudes are going to be like, yo, stop, yo, come play video games, yo, let's go smoke weed, yo, let's go do this, because they want to bring you back down to their natural environment. On the flip side, if what you hang out with are the 5 smartest kids in school or multi-millionaires, guess what's going to happen? All they're going to do is tell you, yo, we need to go study more. Yo, we need to build this business. Or yo, we need to keep working on this business. Yo, what other thing can we create? 3, fraudsters. Bro, you need to protect yourself from fraud. I can't tell you how, bro, even my own businesses have been attacked by fraud, whether that's on social media accounts or on business sites. So this is something that you always have to be on the lookout for. Shoot, one of our own business accounts on Instagram, it got hacked and they got stolen. We're still to this day battling trying to get that back. And what most people don't understand is that your online identity is so important, and it's one of the fastest growing crime rates in America. One cyber attack happens every 14 seconds, which means some other dude just got attacked. Just imagine trying to log into your email one day just to see that your password would change hours ago, and then all of a sudden you start seeing activity in your bank account, in your crypto wallet, in your credit cards. That's when the feeling of fear, panic, anxiety, paranoia all start to settle in. This is why I'm excited to partner with Aura, who's sponsoring this video. Aura is an identity theft protection, fraud monitoring, VPN, password management, and antivirus software, all combined into one easy to use application. Aura then monitors the dark web for your emails, your passwords, your social security number, and then sends alerts fast right to your phone and to your email if they find anything. When it comes to fraud, every second matters. So when you connect your credit card or your bank account, you're going to be notified 4 times faster than any of their competitors when they see some sort of sign of fraud. Then their VPN allows you to stay anonymous online by keeping your browsing history and personal information safe and encrypted. And then their antivirus software will block viruses and malware before they infect your devices. I want you to protect yourself and your family from America's fastest growing crime. You can go ahead and try Aura for 2 weeks. That's the offer they're giving you to see if any of your personal information has been leaked in the dark web. Again, it's completely free. If you guys click the link down below or go to aura.com/TMF, you can get that free 2-week trial to start protecting yourself from fraud. 4, poverty. You need to protect your financial independence. And look, I talked about this study recently where there's 3 things that you need to do. These are bare minimums to avoid yourself falling into poverty. You need to graduate high school. You need to make sure you don't knock up a girl under 21 or outside of marriage. And more importantly, you have to have a full-time job. You just can't be a bum. By the way, that's the bare minimum. And according to the study, no matter your race or color, if you're able to complete those 3 things, you have a 74% chance of being inside the middle class, which means that's the bare minimum. And you know me, I never recommend the bare minimum to you. I want to achieve greatness. So I want you to keep pushing. Instead of just graduating high school, maybe go to college, get a useful degree. Instead of not knocking a girl up under 21, maybe you wait a little longer till 25. Maybe you wait until you're financially stable, which takes us to the 3rd one. Instead of just having one full-time job, you have a full-time job and a side hustle. And now your success is inevitable. 5, fantasizing girls. Look, we are bombarded with sexualizing imagery all day long on TikTok and on Instagram. Your TikTok, 4 out of 5 TikToks is girls just shaking their ass. On Instagram, let's be real, your entire feed are Insta models. What happens is that it messes up your current relationships. Bro, the grass is not greener on the other side. I promise you what you got is good, and what you're seeing online is just tainting your mind. Which takes me to number 6, your masculinity. I don't want you to let anyone tell you that being masculine is a bad thing. It is our biology. It is who we are. And to embrace your masculine traits is something powerful. Strength, loyalty, assertiveness, bravery. These are amazing traits you should embrace. And when you do step into your masculine frame, bro, you're going to feel powerful. That's it for your boy today. See you next time.